Hey guys, welcome back to another Davinci Resolve tutorial. If you're new to Davinci Resolve, you may encounter this problem. I certainly did. So you've just imported your footage onto your timeline and you try playing back that footage, but you're only hearing the audio coming through one of your speakers. This is because the audio track is playing in mono rather than in stereo. But there is a very simple solution to this problem. Just follow these steps that I'm about to show you and you'll get it sorted out. No problems, no hassle, no fuss. Very simple. Okay?
So simply right click your audio clip, go to clip attributes, and under audio, you'll see source channel. Here, select embedded channel 2 and change it to embedded channel 1. And that will fix your problem of only hearing your audio coming through one speaker.